Our friends, today my son Theo and I are going to draw Pete the Cat as a tooth fairy. This was inspired by Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth. It is a book that my son recently started reading. Let's get started. We're going to draw a curved triangle first for the ears.
Yeah. This?
Yep. And then let's draw a curved line across the paper for the top of his head.
Top of his head.
Yep. And then let's draw the other ear, a rounded triangle.
Around it.
Yes. And now let's come down from the ear, come down to frame the face. And let's take a look of the Pete the Cat's face.
Yes.
Yeah. Very similar. Yeah. And connect at the bottom. There. Now let's draw Pete the Cat's eyes. So we're gonna draw a curved line.
Curved line.
Yeah. That's right. But should we have some more space at the bottom?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, so now let's use the eraser. Here, this is the eraser. Let's turn it around and erase the part that you don't want. Let's try if you can do it. Press hard on the paper. Yep. And erase only the part that you don't want. I think the top part looks okay. The bottom, we need more space. Okay, so we need a bigger curved line at the bottom to close off the eye. Ooh, that's a huge one. This one I think maybe it's too big. Do you still have room for the other eye? No, that's okay. Let's come back to erase it. So you're gonna make sure when you draw this eye, you're gonna make sure that you have enough space to draw the other eye, right? Okay, let's do this again. Then you will have one eye that's bigger and one eye that's smaller.
Little bit, huh?
Yeah.
See?
It looks like he's winking.
She's making.
Yeah, it's up to you what you want. Do you want to draw a smaller eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is smaller.
Oh, that's too small. Isn't it too small? That's
Oopsie.
that's so funny.
Oopsie. I put the button.
That's not a button. That's called a pupil.
People.
Yeah, like this. Is that what you want, or do you want this one to be bigger? It's up to you.
Like this.
Like this is okay? Alright, so let's draw the nose. We're gonna draw a small triangle right there for the nose. There you go, that's cute. Alright, so now let's draw the neck. Two short lines right below the chin. Let's draw a straight line right below the neck. That's the t-shirt's opening. A straight line like that. And then come down from each end of the straight line. And then you're gonna draw the sleeves, right? Like a rectangle. So I'm gonna draw half for you, and then you're gonna draw the other half, okay? And then, look, it's going to the center. Okay, so now you draw this half. Connect it at the bottom. There you go, that's Pete the Cat's t-shirt. Now we're gonna draw his arms coming out from the two sleeves. So you're gonna draw two lines coming out, and you're going to connect the two lines at the end for his hand. you're gonna draw a curved line, like a circle at the end for his hands.
That's the end.
Yeah, that's the end. You're gonna draw. Yeah, like yeah, it's like a feast, you know, like a little bit more rounder than this. You're drawing the toothbrush, right?
Right. It looks like a toothbrush.
Does it look like a toothbrush?
Yeah.
That looks like a knife, Theo.
Huh?
Look, doesn't this look like a knife?
No.
Now the hand, Pete the cat's hand holding this toothbrush, we need to draw this oval, curving back to connect to the arm, okay? And because his hand is holding the toothbrush, so you cannot see the handle, right? Because his hand covers the toothbrush. So that's why we're gonna erase this part of the brush handle. You know what I mean? So like I'm holding this pen, right? So you can't see the pencil, but you can see my hand right there, right? So you can only draw the pencil from here and then it comes out from that side. But my hand covers the middle part of the pencil. So that's exactly what's happening with the toothbrush. All right, so you're gonna draw the other arm. Let's draw the other arm and we are going to draw Pete the cat tooth fairy. So the other arm, the other hand is going to hold a wand. A magical wand. Yeah. Now let's draw the feast. Okay, so we're gonna draw a big oval.
Big oval like this.
Yeah, that's right.
Like this as well.
Yes, and back connect. All right, and now you're gonna draw the handle. So the handle is going to go through from the hand right there, sticking out, and then at the end there's a star. Goes up.
Like this.
Yep. And then you're gonna draw another line that's parallel to this line. There you go. Connect it, and then you're gonna draw a star at the top.
I don't know how to do so.
Let me show you. So we're gonna draw this line, and then from the tip of this line, we're gonna draw another curved line, another angle line. And then from there, let's draw another angle line. And from the tip of this angle line, I'm gonna draw another short angle line coming back. Yes. So now you need to draw 3 more. Curved angle line up, and from the tip, yes, bring it back in. And then we're gonna draw another one. Goes out, bring it in, and then finally one more, okay? Out and connect back. There you go, you did it. Good job. All right, so now let me finish the handle. I'm gonna draw it out and curve it back to connect to the wand. Now remember what I said about the hand holding the pencil? So you can't see this part of the wand, right? Because the hand covered it. So I'm gonna erase this part. So now let's draw the shorts.
Shorts?
Yeah, Pete the cat was wearing a short. So I'm gonna draw the shorts. Okay, so that's one leg, and then from here, that's another leg. All right, so that's his shorts, and then we want his legs to come out this way and this way. All right, so how about you draw one leg and I draw the other leg? Remember, he's flying in the air, so his legs are hanging there, floating in the air. Yeah, looks cool. What about the other leg? You want to also draw the other leg? What about his tail?
Yeah. This.
Curves up.
This?
We need to draw another line. It's perfect. Just draw another line to thicken it. Perfect. All right, so now let's draw the magical wings.
Yeah.
What are we going to do? We're gonna draw a curved line from behind his head. It goes out like that. Yes, and bring it back. Yes, that's perfect. I'm gonna draw the same on the other side. Draw it out and curve it back.
All the way here?
Let me see. I want this line to go a little bit higher, okay? So like this. Go out this way and then come back here.
Okay. You want to be like this way?
On the wings to look bigger.
Bigger.
Just like that, going back to his body. And then I'm gonna draw two more at the bottom. One that goes out from there and comes back to his body.
Here? Here?
No, so these two wings are connected, right? So this is where the top wing ends. So I'm gonna draw one out from here and then bring this back in here. Yes. And now we're gonna draw, yes, you're right, from the end of the wing and draw another one out. It doesn't have to go around the toothbrush. It's okay, you can come behind the toothbrush and then curve it back.
All the way here?
Yeah, all the way here is fine. There we go, perfect. All right, so now let's color it in. We forgot to draw the tooth, so I'm gonna draw the tooth for you. Curved line, that's the tooth. And because we're drawing Pete the cat as a tooth fairy, you're gonna draw the smile.
You can draw the eyes.
So I'm going to I'm going to color in the wings first, and we are going to use a black marker to trace over the lines at the end, okay? Here, perfect. Yep, perfect.
I draw your own name.
You want to draw my name as well?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sign my name here. So that's our drawing of Pete the cat as a tooth fairy. I hope you guys enjoy drawing with us, and please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more weekly uploads.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.